In this video, I'll show you how to create a modern resume in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. To begin, let's set up the page layout. Next, enable the alignment guides for easier object placement. In the Design tab, choose the Slice theme for a clean and modern look. Then, set the document formatting to this style. Change the colors to blue too. And for fonts, choose Century Gothic. Now, create the sidebar. Adjust its size to 11.69 by 3. And place it using the alignment guides for precise positioning. Then, create a circle. Set its size to 2 by 2. And add your photo to it. Subscribe to our channel for professional resume making videos and free resources. Now, draw a text box. Remove its fill and outline. Then apply the Heading 1 style from the Styles group. Keep the title alignment in the center. Finally, add space after paragraph to create space between the title and its text. Let's add the contact details. Adjust the icon size to 0.15 and change its color to the theme color. Now, simply copy this and paste it below. Copy the contact section and add your skills. To match the theme color, we will also add the light blue color to the bullet points. Let's increase the line spacing for a clearer look. Next, add your languages. You can use estimates from this guide to indicate your proficiency level in each language. Now, include your hobbies. Finally, select all 4 sections and distribute them vertically. The sidebar is complete. Now, let's work on the other side. Draw a rectangle shape as a background element. and send it to the back. Next, insert a text box. And type your name. Add your job title below it. Include a summary highlighting your key skills and career goals. Copy this section. Add your job title, company name with its location, and dates of employment. Also, provide a concise description of your responsibilities and achievements. Add details for your second job. Now, for a modern and creative look, we will draw a margin or bullet line. For consistency, use the other colors of the same theme. Let's group it to copy it as a whole for our education section. Add your degree program name. Include your university details. Then, add details for your second degree program. Lastly, ungroup it to adjust the bullet line. Then, group it again to distribute it vertically. Here is your final resume layout. You can free download this modern resume template from the link in the video description. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more resume making videos. Thanks for watching.